Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, today we are learning 3 more letters, inshallah ta'ala. Take it easy. We are moving towards Qur'an step by step. Alhamdulillah. Now look at these 3 letters. Jim, Ha, Ho. Take a moment. Really look at them. Do you notice something? Yes, they all have the same shape. Now let's see the difference. The shape stays the same, only the dots change. Jim has 1 dot inside. Ha has no dot. Ho has 1 dot above. That's it. Same shape, different dots. Now repeat after me. Jim. Again. Jim. MashaAllah ta'ala. Now listen carefully. Ha. When you say this letter, the tongue naturally moves slightly back towards the throat. If it comes easily for you, that's great. Just say it. Ha. If it does not, don't worry at all. We will work on the pronunciation later, inshallah ta'ala, in the next level in detail. For now, our focus is only on recognizing the letters and learning their names. So please say again, Ha. One more time, Ha. Now the last letter of today's lesson. Repeat after me. Ho. Actually, Ho is a thick letter. It has a heavy sound. So whenever you want to make a sound thick and heavy, gently lift your tongue slightly from the back. Because of this, the sound goes slightly upward. That's why heavy letters have an upward stronger sound. Repeat after me with the thick and heavy sound. Ho. Ho. Before this, all the letters were light. This is our first thick letter. Lift your tongue from the back and say Ho. Now again, Ho. Now let's say all 3 letters together. Repeat after me. Jim, Ha, Ho. Again, Jim, Ha, Ho. One last time, please. Jim, Ha, Ho. Perfect for this level. You see, this is how the Qur'an becomes easy. Letter by letter, shape by shape. And with every lesson, you are moving closer to Allah's words. Now it's time to practice. Below this lesson, you will find practice videos, one for male learners and other is for female learners. Along with today's practice, we have also included practice from the previous lesson. Please practice that as well. This helps your Arabic reading improve gradually, lesson by lesson, inshallah ta'ala. Brothers and sisters, how did this lesson feel? You are building confidence and that matters. Stay with the lessons. We will continue in the next class, inshallah ta'ala.